How do I synthesize information from different sources in a literature review? Have you ever wondered how to weave together different ideas from various sources in a literature review? It can seem tricky, but with the right approach, you can create a cohesive narrative that supports your research focus. Synthesizing information means more than just summarizing each source. It involves connecting the dots between studies, comparing findings, and showing how they relate to your research question. To get started, organize your sources by common themes, methods, or theories. This helps you see how different studies fit together. You can choose to structure your review chronologically, thematically, or methodologically. For instance, a chronological structure shows how ideas have developed over time, while a thematic approach groups studies by topic. Pick the structure that aligns best with your academic goals. Next, critically evaluate each source. Look for agreements, disagreements, gaps, and trends in the literature. Identify where studies support each other and where they conflict. This step is essential as it positions your work within the existing research and highlights the need for your study. When synthesizing, use your own voice to explain the connections. Instead of merely reporting what each author said, discuss how the sources relate to one another and to your research. You might summarize several studies together, point out patterns, or explain how a particular theory has evolved based on multiple findings. Here are some practical steps to help you synthesize effectively. Start by taking detailed notes that capture key points and their relationship to your topic. Creating concept maps can also be helpful. These visual tools allow you to see the relationships between studies clearly. Writing synthesis paragraphs is another effective method. These paragraphs should integrate multiple sources rather than provide separate summaries. As you discover new sources or insights, continuously refine your synthesis. This ongoing process will strengthen your literature review. Remember, the goal of synthesis is to build an argument or framework that guides your research. It shows that you understand the field and can engage critically with it. This methodical approach not only strengthens your literature review but also aligns with effective study techniques for academic goal setting and long-term planning. In essence, synthesizing information in a literature review involves organizing sources by themes or methods, comparing and connecting them, and presenting a clear narrative that supports your research aims. This structured approach will help you create a solid foundation for your academic work and future studies.